What this means for you is getting your business to the place where your customers would drive past other laundromats, even if they're cheaper, even if they're closer, to get to your business because you're the one they want to buy from.
Everything that I built as I walk you through the journey started with that piece of paper and picking up one bag of laundry.
But this is all information that as a business owner, you can use to start formulating a strategy for yourselves. How do you drive more eyeballs to your business? And also to you as a leader, as a CEO, founder.
I really want you to think about our industry as a whole when we go through this presentation and really try to remove yourself from what we've been doing to what we think we should do, to what you can make possible in your store.